Introduction. Hi friends, we have all come to trust and look forward to the new and innovative features brought to us by Samsung in their M series of phones. In case you are wondering about going for Samsung Galaxy M51, here are 5 things to know before you go for the new Samsung Galaxy M51. Let's get started. Battery. The main highlight of Samsung Galaxy M51 is India's first monstrous battery of 7000 mAh. Even in my rigorous testing of the phone, I could not use up the battery in 2 whole days. You can fully charge the phone from 0 to 100% in 1 hour and 50 minutes. A 25 watts Type-C fast charger is given in the box. Reverse charging. A Type-C to Type-C charging cable is given in the box. This allows for reverse charging feature to be used easily. Your massive battery of Samsung Galaxy M51 can act as a power bank for all your other devices. Cameras. At the rear we have a quad camera setup with 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 main sensor, plus 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor with 123 degrees field of view, plus 5 megapixel depth and 5 megapixel macro lens. On the front we have the 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 punch hole camera. Front and rear camera both support 4K video recording. AIS is given for video stabilization in the front and rear camera. You can switch between front and rear camera while recording video. The rear and front camera both support super slow motion recording. 64 megapixel IntelliCam feature guides you where to take 64 megapixel photo in the landscape. One interesting feature of Samsung flagship level which is given in this phone is where a single take can give you up to 7 photos and 3 video outputs, so that you can choose the best moments. There are 99 custom filters to choose from. AR doodles and emoji are also featured. Processor. Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G as the main processor, combined with Adreno 618 as the GPU. As a result, you can play heavy-duty games like Fortnite and Asphalt 9 at high-quality graphics settings. This phone is very much capable of high-end gaming. Display. Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display. Super AMOLED Plus display is thinner and more power efficient than the normal Super AMOLED display. On the front display we get the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The display colors look vivid and punchy and produce great viewing angles even in harsh sunlight. Final words. Samsung Galaxy M51 is a monster offering from Samsung in the M series and will highly appeal to all Samsung fans in India. With India's first 7000 mAh battery, you will never go out of power on this phone. With an excellent setup of cameras which has intelligent features, the camera enthusiast will love this phone. The 6GB RAM with 128GB storage variant costs Rs 24,999 and the 8GB RAM with 128GB storage variant will cost Rs 26,999. If you are interested in buying Samsung Galaxy M51, then I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. I would like to confirm that the video is not sponsored by Samsung or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting stuff, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.